Hey yo everybody, welcome back to TWR. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. Is that the same pink flamingo shirt you were wearing in the last video? Why, yes, it is, and that is because it is the exact same day in filming. So, that being said, I just want to come on here and share with you one more special new member of the family. Now, when I was sharing those little random clips of the different snakes that we had in the store, I almost shared this one, but since I had already decided that I was going to get this animal, I decided I would just hold off on sharing it and share it with you when I actually brought it home. And so now it has been at the shop for a couple of weeks and I was able to bring it home, and I'm very excited to share it with you. So let's check it out. I have it down here in this tub, so we're gonna get a little closer look here. Look at my boy Kovu back there sleeping. He's sleeping. So we're gonna get a closer look down here and see what's going on. All right, so right in here I have set up an enclosure for an animal that is tucked in here, which I will show you in a moment. I just want to show you the inside of this first. I would have recorded it myself putting it together, but when I was doing it there was a lot of parenting needing to be happened, lots of interruptions, plus obviously having to hold the camera now as opposed to having a tripod. It was just too much, so I put it together and now I'm going to show it to you. And so this is it here. Just got a couple of pieces of cork in here, some leaves. I got some cocoa fiber mixed with aspen, as well as got some pretty leafage, a climbing stick, a water bowl, which is empty right now, but I will fill that up here in a moment. And so that is going to be housing one of the newest members of our family. So I'm going to put this back on like so. Bring this up here like so I can show you what it is. Oh gosh, trying to do this with one hand. Oh, that came off a lot easier than it did earlier. Alright, so let's see it. There it is. Was the flash on? Yeah, it is. Okay. There we go. Come here, beautiful. Oh, it's a squirmy one. Gonna be hard to do in the... There we go, though. Look at that. That there, everyone, is a Mexican black king snake. An absolute stunner. An absolute stunner. I mean, just look at that. Oh, goodness. Oh, I'm messing up the camera. Sorry about that, folks. There it is. Oh, it's so cute. We had 3 of them at the shop, and this one was honestly the feistiest of them all. I was feeding them, or I fed them at least once. Another person fed them the other time. But this one was always just kind of just going off, flailing about, kind of striking and all that. And I am all about the feisty snake, so I was gung ho with taking this one home. Look at that little curious face. Look at that little curious face. Oh my goodness, so cute. So cute. So I'm very excited to have this cutie here with us, this Mexican black king snake. Absolutely stunning. Deep black. Like, it's just so cool. There's a few different black snakes out there, but this is the one that everybody is wanting. Everybody wants a Mexican black king snake. If you want a black snake, you want a Mexican black king snake, and that's just reality because they're just as black as it gets. Like, you just can't get much blacker than that. I've seen some pretty impressive African like house snakes that are black, like black African house snakes. They're pretty impressive as well. And then of course there are various different morphs out there of other snakes like ball pythons and whatnot, blacks and all that other stuff. But none of them touch the level of this beauty right here. Like that's just top level melanin right there. Just absolutely stunning. And I'm super excited to have this cutie as a part of our home now. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cutie into its new home. All right, there we go. There we go, buddy. How's that? You gonna go? Oh, yeah. There you go. And off he goes. Off he goes. Yeah, I'm hoping it's building in enough. I feel like this might be considered a little bit of a big of an enclosure for such a small snake. But I tried to definitely fill it in a lot. Tried to put a lot of just like shrubbery and like hiding spaces so that he can feel safe. Like he's already disappeared. I can't even see him. Um, oh wait, he's up under there. But yeah, this guy when he was in the store, or she, I'm not really sure the gender, spent a lot of time burrowed in the substrate. Now this is cocoa fiber and aspen. Now definitely the cocoa fiber is holding a little bit more moisture than a king snake would technically need, but it will dry out over time, and it will be fine. So I'm not really too worried about it. But yeah, so here's it's loose and it'll be a nice, good like burrowing type of substrate for him as well. So I think this will work out great. So there you guys have it. That is the new Mexican black king snake and its new setup. Alright, so there you guys have it. That is the new member of our family, the Mexican black king snake. I'm going to go ahead and get this fella locked up with its lid, put him away, get the heating pad on the bottom, do all that good stuff. So I hope you guys love that new addition. If you guys have any name suggestions, help me name it. So there you guys go. You all take care of yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you all keep spreading those herbs.